Shia LaBeouf may be doing some real-life sex scenes in his next project. Hey guys, I'm Brian Corsetti, and MovieLine.com has all the details. Shia LaBeouf recently bared all for an Icelandic band Sigur new music video. But that's nothing compared to his newest movie role. The former Disney star has signed on to appear in Lars Von Trier's Nymphomaniac film. Despite some fears about working with the Danish filmmaker, he told ENTV recently, "Von Trier is the most dangerous dude that I've ever shown up for. I'm terrified. I'm so terrified, which is why I have to go. We'll see what happens." The film, which follows the story of a woman's sexual history narrated by her husband, will reportedly be shot in both softcore and hardcore versions and potentially require its cast to perform unsimulated sex scenes. MovieLine.com reports that there's a disclaimer at the top of the script that basically says, "We're doing the sex for real." LaBeouf confirms this fact to ENTV, saying, "And anything that is illegal will be shot in blurred images, but other than that, everything is happening." Sounds crazy, right? Well, this isn't the first time this director has pushed boundaries in movies. In 2009, he directed a movie called Antichrist, where the actors' stunt doubles had intercourse on camera. The film will also star Charlotte Gainsborough, Stellan Skarsgård, and Nicole Kidman, who starred in a different Von Trier film back in 2003 called Dogville. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Brian Corsetti. You see these arrows on either side of the screen? Click them to watch our next or previous stories. And for more movie news, log on to MovieLine.com and subscribe to ENTV for all your entertainment news first.
Hey, I'm Noah Gould, and you're watching ENTV. Hey, I'm Rico Rodriguez from Modern Family, and you're watching ENTV.
My name's Chris Pratt, and you are watching ENTV.